to my channel. It is Becky the mommy. Guys, I was trying to dance like the epic people, I'm trying to dance like the Akwa Ibom people here in south part of Nigeria. Okay guys, reason because I'm making one of their rich delicacy. I know this video is about bulk cooking, okay, but guys, one of the food that I'm cooking today is the epic people's food, okay. I mean the epic people's soup. They also call it Ibibio, right? Ibibio and epic, okay. Anyway, Akwa Ibom is the southern part of Nigeria, okay, and they have a lot of amazing delicacies. I mean a lot of native delicacies, of which one of their food which I'm cooking today is ATAMA. So my darlings, if today is the first time of coming across my video, you are welcome to Becky the Mommy's channel. In this channel I post everything, I mean everything regarding to motherhood. I mean my life as a mom, as a wife, as a home organizer. Everything that I do with my life as a mother is what I post in this channel. So you want to stick around? And how do you stick around? Just subscribe to my channel, and when you subscribe, do not forget to tap on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new post, I mean a new video. I'm sure you would definitely love it here, okay? Okay, now to my return viewers. Ooh, I love you guys. I love you all. Thank you for the constant support. Thank you for the like, the comment. You guys encourage me a whole lot. I mean, whenever I see your comments, your like, your views, I just get very excited. I mean, Becky, you must be doing something good. I mean, for these people to keep coming back. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. In Ikwere we say meka o, meka o, meka. In let me know for my hand. So I wanted to say in Igbo, I don't know, I'm not sure, so I'm not gonna say it. Okay guys, so today's video is about how I cook for my family, okay? Family of 4. Me, myself, that is 1. My husband, 2. Okay, my 2 girls, that's 4. So we don't have any extra person staying in this house. I mean, I don't live with a maid. I don't have any maid. Okay, I don't have any extra person living with me. Guys, it's only by God's grace I've been surviving motherhood all alone without a help. Okay, and yes, that reminds me, I actually filmed a content on how I have been surviving motherhood without a nanny, or without a maid, or without a house help, whatever you call it. Okay, so I did a shoot on that in the course of this week. I'll put it together and then I'll definitely drop that post either this week or next, because I already have content lined up. Okay, I plan my content, okay, but definitely I will drop that video. Now with that being said, my darlings, I'll be making 4 different types of food, okay, which number 1 is ATAMA. Now ATAMA soup is very rich. I mean, it is rich in aroma, it is rich in taste, and it's also rich in texture. Now this soup, this particular soup, this ATAMA soup, is usually made with loads of seafood, okay, in it. But today, guys, I'm going to be using cow tongue. You heard me right. I'm going to be using cow tongue and you know, some small seafood, okay. So guys, let me just quickly show you guys what this ATAMA looks like. I've already raised it up. So this is ATAMA. ATAMA is just the Akwa Ibom version of the Delta Banga soup. Yeah, with that being said, let me quickly show you guys what the palm fruit looks like, okay. Just give me a second. Ooh, so my darlings, this is what the banga looks like, okay. This is called palm fruit. I mean the English name, palm fruit, okay. And then this is the ATAMA leaf, okay. So these two ingredients are actually the major ingredients used in making ATAMA soup, okay. So the ATAMA leaves actually thickens the soup, okay, while I'll be making palm fruit sauce out of this palm fruit, okay, which is what I'll be using to cook the soup. So guys, with that being said, the next food I'll be making is stew. I mean, guys, school runs has already started, okay. So I love having stew at home, reason because it makes life easy for me, especially whenever I'm to make spag or jollof rice. I mean, I just bring it out from the freezer, heat it up, and after steaming or after pre-cooking the rice or spag, you know, it just makes the whole making jollof spaghetti or making jollof rice very easy. So yes, I'm definitely going to be cooking stew, okay. What else? The third food I'll be making is beans. I'm dancing because a lot of persons don't like beans. I don't know why. I mean, beans is very rich. It's rich in carbohydrates and also rich in protein, but it's more of carbohydrates, okay. So if you used to think beans is protein, no baby, no. Okay, so guys, with that being said, the next food I'll be making, which is the fourth one, is okra soup. Okra soup. Now the okra soup is for my kids. Which kid does not like okra soup? My kids, they started eating okra soup from 6 months old. These baby girls, they've been eating solid. They started eating solid very early. Kudos to Mommy Becky, which has actually made life very easy for me. Now, usually my kids consume okra soup as lunch. I mean, food that I don't pack for them to school is what they have at home when they come back, okay, either as lunch or as dinner. Yes, with that being said, my darlings, I shot a video on how I come up with my kids' food menu. Watch out for that post if you're a mama and you're struggling on what to give to your kids and what not to give to them. You know, it's very difficult. It's hard. Motherhood is hard. I mean, you get to take care of this kids. I call them my responsibilities. Yes, they are my responsibilities. So I brought them to this world with the help of God. So I should take care of them. So yes, mamas, I made a post or I shot a video on how I come up with my kids' food menu, and I also talked about food components in that video. So watch out for that post, okay? Watch out for that post. Whenever I upload it, I will drop the link to, in fact, to all these posts that I've mentioned so far. I'll drop their links in the description box. If you're watching this video today and you check the description box, you don't see the link, then just know that I've not put these videos together, okay? But if you see the links, then it means that I've, you know, dropped those videos. Now, my darlings, while you watch, do not forget to encourage me. And how do you encourage me? Just like this video. Like it. I mean, like it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, Biko, subscribe to my channel and tap on the notification bell so you don't miss a video from Becky the Mommy's channel. Now, my darlings, let's start cooking. Okay, guys, so these are the key ingredients that I'm using to make this 4 type of foods that I'm cooking today for my family. I mean, in the course of this week. Okay, guys, I've already mentioned all these ingredients, but let me just quickly go over them again. This is cow tongue. This cow tongue is not washed. Okay, this is I'm gonna be using this cow tongue for the ATAMA soup. Okay, guys, and this is beef. I'll be using this for my kids okra soup, and this is cow tail. Yes, look at that. This is cow tail, okay, with chicken. I'll be using this for the stew. And guys, it's going to be a very fast video, so I won't really be showing how I wash these proteins. But if you want to see how I wash proteins, I made a video for that. Please kindly watch that video. It's very important. It's very important. I mean, it's an interesting video, okay, for you to watch. The video title is how I wash raw meat. I mean, all the raw meat I use in cooking, okay, including other animal proteins as well that I use in cooking. I'll drop the link to that post in the description box. Please check it out. Okay, so this is palm fruit. I've already shown this, and this is the ATAMA leaves. Okay, this is stockfish. I'll be using this for the ATAMA soup. This is smoked dried catfish. Ugu leaf. I'll be adding this ugu leaf to my kids okra soup. This is okra, guys. So this is fresh tomato. I'll be using the fresh tomato with tomato paste. I'll be using the fresh tomato with tin tomato, okay, to make the stew. I'll add the fresh pepper, onions, and all of that. You guys will see what I'll do with this. Okay, so this is butter beans. This is 5 cups of butter beans. Okay, guys, now let's start cooking. So my darlings, the ATAMA soup is ready, as well as my kids' okra soup. But here I'm dishing the ATAMA soup for my man. I mean, they've been waiting, okay, and the food is ready, so I had to serve my man his food. Guys, just take a good look at the face of this ATAMA soup. Like I said, guys, the texture, the taste, and the aroma of this soup is heavenly. So guys, after we all ate, I went on to prep the beans, okay, and cooked the cow taste stew as well. So enjoy the rest of the video, guys, as I show you all how I prepped these beans, this butter beans, yes, it's butter beans, and the stew. But guys, before I started cooking this next set of foods, I've already washed all the dirty plates and packed this first set of foods, okay, because I don't like cooking in a dirty kitchen.